Hi guys, happy Wednesday. We are moving along in our week. You will have a math YouTube today to start our new topic on time, but right now is literacy. Okay, and we're starting off by changing our vowel sounds today, our vowel sounds in our words. Our first word is pay, pay, p-a, pay. I want you to change the A to an ear. So if I change pay, A to ear, now I'm saying peer, ear, peer. Okay, now these ones are a little bit tricky, so here we go. Next word, hey, hey, A, hey. Change the A to ear, hear, ear, hear. Next word, shoe, shoe, sh, ooh, shoe. Change the ooh to ear, sheer, sheer, sh, ear, sheer. Next word, stay, stay, A, stay. Change the A to ear. Steer, st, ear, like this, steer. Next word, clay, clay, k-o-a, clay. Change the A to ear. Clear, k-o, ear, clear. Last word, spy, spy, sp-I, spy. Change the I to ear, spear, sp-ear, spear. Good job, guys. Now, if you notice, we have changed our sound from air to ear. So now we are going to be looking at words with ear in them, and there are two different ways to spell that sound, ear. But first, let's do our song. Our song is called the sheep shearing song. That one's hard to say. The sheep shearing song. Now, this one is going to be easy because it says, have you ever peered at a sheep, peered at a sheep, peered at a sheep? Have you ever peered at a sheep and seen their thick, soft wool? Peered is another way of looked. So we're just going to pretend we have binoculars. Have you ever peered at a sheep? Now the second part, it says, when it's hot, we shear our sheep, shear our sheep, shear our sheep. When it's hot, we shear our sheep and cut their soft wool short. And shear is another word for cutting or shaving the wool off of a sheep. So we're going to use fingers to cut during our first part. So this whole part, we're singing like this. This whole part, we're doing this. All right, are we ready to go? Here we go.
Listen to this song. It is called the Sheep Shearing Song. Follow along.
Have you ever peered at sheep? Peered at sheep, peered at sheep. Have you ever peered at sheep and seen their thick, soft wool? When it's hot, we shear the sheep, shear the sheep, shear the sheep. When it's hot, we shear the sheep and cut their soft wool short.
Listen again and chime in.
Have you ever peered at a sheep? Peered at sheep, peered at sheep. Have you ever peered at sheep and seen their thick, soft wool? When it's hot, we shear the sheep, Shear the sheep, shear the sheep. When it's hot, we shear the sheep and cut their soft wool short.
Good job, guys. I like that song. That was pretty fun. But now let's look at our new spelling pattern. Our new spelling pattern, like air, we have EAR, but this time we have EER for deer. Ear is our sound. Ear is our sound. So let's get ready to do some sounds as I say them. Okay. This word has only the sound we are learning, ear. These words have it, or only have the sound that we're learning, ear, right here, our ear. Okay, these words have ear in the middle. Cheerful, beard, and these words have ear at the end. Fear, steer, spear. Okay, now I will say a word. You listen for the ear sound. If you hear the ear sound, what do you think we're going to do? We're going to tug our ear. So if you don't hear it, don't do anything. Okay, first word. Hearing. Hearing. Do you hear the ear sound? Hearing. Good. Next word. Pear. Pear. Nope, that was our Monday sound, our air sound, not our ear sound. Next word. Clearest. Clearest. I hear it. Ear. Next word. Chairs. Chairs. That's our air sound, not our ear sound. Next word. Shears. Shears. I hear it. Shears. Last word. Jeer. Jeer. I hear the word ear, or I hear the sound ear in jeer. Okay, so we are learning our EER and our EAR that say ear, just like these things on our head, ear. Okay, I would like you guys to take out your whiteboard or your piece of paper, and we are going to build some words. We're going to build some words. And we are using the EER and the EAR that of our new spelling pattern. Okay, our first word. Let's do the word peer. You and the other students in class are peers. That means that you're doing the same thing, you're the same age, you're all in first grade. My peers are the other teachers. So our first word is peer. 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 P-E-E-R. Peer. Okay? Now our next word is year. Year. This year, you're in first grade. Now, year is Y-E-A-R, just like the word ear. Ear is right there. Ear says the word, or says the sound ear, but so does E-E-R. Peer, year. They rhyme, they're spelt differently, but they make the same sounds. Next word, deer. Just like this guy with the antlers behind me, deer. Now, the animal deer is spelled E-E-R, D-E-E-R. If I'm writing you a letter and I'm saying, dear students, I miss you so much, I write that deer, D-E-A-R, deer. This is the animal. This is like a letter, deer. Okay, next word, clear. Clear. The window is clear, so I can see out of it. Clear. Clear. Okay? Clear. E-A-R again, clear. Next word, steer. Steer. S-T, st, ear. Steer. Okay, so we have two spelling patterns, E-E-R, E-A-R, both say ear. Okay, both say ear for this one. E-E-R, E-A-R, both say ear. I know E-A-R also says air, but for Wednesday today, it says ear. Now, I want you to either erase your board if you wrote as big as me, or make room for a sentence. Okay, we're going to have two sentences actually. Our first sentence is a question. What do you hear? 4 words. What do you hear? What do you hear? Now I mentioned that it is a question, so what punctuation do you put at the end? What do you hear? Now remember, what do you are all high frequency words. We should already know how to spell those. What do you hear? What do you hear? There's my sentence. What do you hear? Hear, H-E-A-R, hear. Different than the bossy E here. This is hear, like I'm listening. You can remember that one because the word ear is in hear. And how do you hear? You hear with your ear. What do you hear? And a question mark at the end. Our next sentence is I hear them cheer. 4 words again. I hear them cheer. I hear, like you hear with your ear, hear them cheer. Listen to that digraph in the beginning. Ch, ch, ch. Cheer. I hear them cheer. I hear them cheer. I hear them cheer. All right, guys, that is the end of our whole group literacy. Those were some tricky words. We will be practicing them more. I want you to make sure that you're practicing them at home because they have 2 that are spelled exactly the same that make different noises. Or not different noises, different sounds. So make sure that you know the difference between the air sound and the ear sound. All right, guys, I will see you at math. Bye.